Hi guys, welcome to my first knitting project. So I will show you today how you can do a simple garter stitch. So we will do a headband in a nice blue color. So for today I use my 10mm needles with my line as well. So if you're a beginner, please use the same, it makes it much easier that way. And yeah, then I have a needle for weaving in and of course some measuring tape. I use the Wool-Tastic Urban Roots wool, so 97% wool and 3% polyamide, 50 grams, 60 meters, but feel free to use whatever you like or have. Also, I had some wool left over, so I did not use the whole spool up. So apart from that, I used the appropriate needles, so the ones that are actually recommended, and the color number for today is 69. So let's get started. So let's start with 10 stitches. Follow my lead if this is your first try. I'll do everything very slowly. Ten stitches we have on our needle right now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are now ready to start. Turn around and now let's start knitwise. Go from the front, take the thread through. Pull tight and do the second stitch, real easy. Now turn and then continue in the same manner, so I'll keep doing it slowly so that you can follow. So you see the difference between the front and the back. I will show you one more row. So you see the pattern on the front and back again. The longer you do it, the better it looks. So now I will do this for my head. So I took my own measure, but always do 1 or 2 centimeters less, since it shouldn't slip off your head. Yeah, that way it's a bit more secure, so it's not too tight. I'm gonna assure you of that. So always measure your head circumference and then just take 2 or 1 centimeter less. So yeah, the material is pretty stretchy, that's why it should fit. So 1 or 2 should be just fine. If you are doing this for a friend, I would maybe recommend asking them, or if it's a surprise, then just get creative in some way. So this length we have, I will now do for my own head size. Here are the 50 centimeters in knit stitches, so now we need to close up all the stitches. And here you see our end row. We can pull this out a bit longer than usual and then shorten or cut. Now we need to connect these. In order to do this, I took my big weaving needle to make it easy and quick. So follow my lead. So you see how it's almost invisible, so when you wear it, nobody will see it, and I will secure the connection by doing this once again. So I could just go back again and tie a knot with the 2 end threads, but I won't be doing that, so I'll just simply tie 2 knots on both ends. Now I will weave the ends in. So this is our headband. I hope you guys like the way it looks. So let me know in the comment section what you think, or shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, if you find the instructions helpful as well. You can also subscribe to our channel, that way you can stay updated with everything new that we post for free, and you can also access our older videos we already posted. So thanks for watching, have a great day, see you next time!